Alright, so boys, this is the final weapon I need for platinum. I think it's tag rifles or marksman battle rifles. That was it. This is the last weapon I need for platinum fucking battle rifles, and today we are going to get said battle rifle gold. I say platinum. What I mean is to unlock the platinum camo. First of all, I need my aim to be there.
Securing objective Charlie. Objective Charlie. Our UAV is orbiting the area.
Come on, push it.
We're losing Alpha.
Still gonna push that? Okay.
Secure Bravo.
Their sniper's
Enemy
down.
taking out. Securing Alpha.
Changing mags. Stun grenade out.
We're taking Charlie.
There's two.
Friendly counter UAV is on station. We control Charlie. Friendly UAV online.
Now I just need the third. Where are you, baby? Where is she?
Friendly UAV on station.
Ma che cazzo di spawn è?
I agree, mate. Why did you spawn there?
UAV ready for tasking.
Muori di
GG.
merda, tu muori.
Complete. Solid work.
Let's see what I am on now. I am on 4 out of 10. And then once I do that, I should be able to unlock platinum battle rifles. So yeah, boys, I might start doing some DMZ and Warzone content. Let me know if you boys want. So I'm excited for both of that.
Kill confirmed. Fast hands.
Friendly airstrike in the AO.
Kill confirmed.
Enemies deployed a bomb drone.
Comes up here.
Standing by. Counter UAV ready.
Confirmed. KIA.
I don't even know where I died, man. Oh, what the hell? What the fuck is that?
I'm loading.
Friendly counter UAV is on station. Friendly UAV on station.
Oh,
Friendly
Prince,
strike
oil Prince.
inbound. Friendly airstrike on the way. Friendly counter UAV is online.
That's where a prince? What?
EKIA confirmed.
Little flank right here. Let's see how this goes.
Our UAV is orbiting the area.
Fuck.
I almost made it out.
UAV is orbiting the area.
Bismillah.
UAV ready to deploy. Counter UAV standing by.
many do we need? Come on. It's gotta be like one more, right, you think? One more. There you go, boys. And I can finally get platinum battle rifles. Greenberg? I think
Team
it's called.
deathmatch.
Contact!
Taking the lead.
I am with you! Loading!
Oh, now come on.
Thermite!
Probably really pass away because I just want this done. Ah, fuck it. I have to get aggressive. Boys, thing. There it is. Platinum battle rifles. Let's go. Now we're gonna finish this match out, and I'll show you, boys.
UAV ready for tasking.
Requesting recon flyover! Grenade out!
Counter UAV ready.
Thermite!
Hands activated.
UAV's up and right.
Copy. Counter UAV is be advised. UAV is activated.
Switching mags!
UAV standing by.
Requesting recon flyover. Enemy contact!
Advanced UAV is on station. Scanning for hostiles.
Switching mags! Loading!
Oh, it's fucking 15, man. Almost. That's like halfway a nuke. Fuck's sakes. There it is, boys. Look at this. Customize. We have the challenge unlocked. Let's go. Sadly, I can't show you it, but because, you know, I don't have it unlocked, but we've done all the gold. Done all the gold for all the battle rifles now. All the assault rifles, including the M16, which was a pain in the arse. All the snipers. We have the gold knife, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, and all the launchers. Which, if you look here, I actually have platinum for. So. Anyways, boys, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe. See ya.